the structure and age of the Earth. Geologists have worked out that the Earth is about 4,500 million years old. They have also worked out what the Earth is like inside. The Earth has a crust of solid rock. Beneath the crust is the mantle, which is molten. In the center of the Earth is the core. It is made of the metals nickel and iron. The outer part of the core is molten. The inner part of the core is solid. Here are few questions for you. What is the scientific name for the area at the center of the Earth? Which metals are found in this area? People used to think that the Earth was only a few thousand years ago old. They thought that the Earth never changed. In 1912, a German scientist called Alfred Wegener suggested that millions of years ago, all the land was one large continent. Over millions of years, the land broke up and drifted apart. This idea is called continental drift. His evidence for this idea was that the shapes of the continents fit together. The types of rocks on different continents match up where they fit together. The fossils on the different continents match up where they fit together. Wegener could not explain how continental drift happened, so not everyone believed his ideas. In the 1960s, a new theory of tectonic plates was developed. The theory is that the Earth's surface is made up of large plates. These plates move slowly on the molten magma underneath them. The plates move only a few centimeters each year. Scientists can use the proportions of different substances in rocks to work out how long ago the rocks were formed. The oldest rocks that have been discovered are 4 and 4.28 billion years old. They are in Canada. It is difficult to find rocks that are the same age as the Earth because rocks are recycled and changed over and over again. Scientists believe that the Earth was formed at the same time as the rest of the solar system. To help them discover the age of the Earth, they have also studied rocks from the Moon and from meteorites. A meteorite is a fragment of rock from space that falls to Earth. Scientists have found meteorites that are 4.5 billion years old. They think the Earth is the same age as these meteorites. Here are some questions for you. What evidence did Wegener have for his idea of continental drift? Why did some people reject his idea? Which plate do you live on? What is the connection between the plate boundaries and where earthquakes and volcanoes occur? Summary. The Earth is made up of the core, the mantle, and the crust. The Earth is more than 4.28 billion years old. The surface of the Earth is made up of tectonic plates, which move slowly. Scientists have studied rocks and meteorites to work out the age of the Earth.